you like your wedge? You're just running back and forth on it. Do you like your wedge? Do you like your wedge? Is it Is that fun, Pumpkin? Yeah. Oh, you're okay. Are we having fun? Oh, we got off. Are you having fun, Pumpkin? Are you having fun? What you gonna do? You gonna eat the camera? You wanna eat the camera?
Right here. Right here.
What you doing?
Stand like right here.
What you doing, Betty? Oh! Turned off Mama's video. What you doing? What are you doing, kid? Are you having fun? Now turn on the overhead light. Whoa! Okay. We just took a hike. Okay, you're back on your bridge. What you gonna do now? What you gonna do now? We're gonna run back and forth on the bridge again. Are we running on the bridge? This is fun! Are you having fun? Are you having fun? Are you having fun? What you gonna say? What you gonna say? What you done? Betty. Betty. I get the tail. Beep beep. Give me the beak. Give Mama the beak. Give me the beak. Oh, we're back to the bridge. What are we gonna do on our bridge? What are we gonna do on our bridge? We're just gonna run back and forth on it? We just gonna run back and forth on our bridge? Yeah. I see you. I see you, Betty. Oh, we're climbing the cage and we're back on the bridge. Do not eat your bridge. Hi. Hi.
Is there anybody in here with me?